Hey, did you know you can now create those satisfying, ultra-realistic ASMR fruit cutting videos, just like the ones blowing up on TikTok and YouTube using Google Veo 3? Yep, and the best part, you don't even need to record anything yourself. Let me show you how. Step 1. Prepare your prompt. First things first, we need a prompt. But don't worry, I've already set up an easy-to-use generator on my website. You'll find the link in the description. All you have to do is enter your object name, like glass banana, and describe your location. Maybe something like modern kitchen. Once you've customized the prompt with your own ideas, just copy the entire thing. Then, open up ChatGPT. It works great on both the website or the app. Paste your prompt into the chat and hit send. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a ready-to-use text-to-video prompt tailored for Veo. Step 2. Generate your ASMR video in Veo 3. Now that you have your text-to-video prompt, it's time to bring it to life. Just copy the prompt from ChatGPT, then head over to Google Gemini. In the chat box, select the Video option, paste your prompt, and hit send. Give it about 2 or 3 minutes to process. And voila! Your video is ready. It's hyper-realistic, super satisfying, and you can download it directly to your device. Step 3. Try different materials and locations. Here's the fun part. You're not limited to just one object or material. You can get creative with all kinds of combinations. Want to slice a wood coconut in the jungle? Go for it. Or how about a diamond apple in a jewelry store? The possibilities are endless. Just go back to the prompt generator on my website, switch up the object and setting, and follow the same flow. Send it to ChatGPT, copy the new result, and paste it into Gemini's video mode. You can generate up to 3 videos per day, so feel free to experiment and see what you can come up with. And there you have it, professional level ASMR slicing videos with zero filming, all powered by AI. Don't forget to check the prompt link in the description and start creating your own viral content today. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below what object and location you want to try next. See you in the next one!